Hello guys, welcome to the another video. So this is gonna be a first video for the Azure 104 certification after Azure 900 certification. I just recently passed Azure AZ-900 certification. I hope you guys have looked that video. If you haven't looked the video, please go to the Azure playlist and you'll find the video over there. So let's go to the topic. Since this is the first video for Azure 104 certification, so in this video I will show you how to create a storage account, container and blob, and also we'll look the data stored on the blob storage, and also we'll try to look access management IAM. So without any delay, let's go and create a storage account. So first of all, I'm in this dashboard here. So let's go to the storage account. If we can find here storage accounts, since I don't have any storage account here, click on create a storage account. So once we come here, I have a subscription name as Azure subscription 1. Then we'll choose the resource group as a I have already created one resource group name. If you haven't created, then you can create new over here. Then click OK. But I do have already one, so I'll just go with that one. The name is RG Storage 225. So I have to create a storage account name. So this has to be a unique. So I will go for STRG and today's date is 5/3/2025. So this is always going to be unique because the date will never resembles with someone unless they are creating on the same day. So and the region is I will go for the default one, primary service. So here we have a couple of different storage account options. So the first one here is Azure Blob Storage, which is for storing unstructured data like images and videos. Azure Files is for file sharing, and Table is for storing NoSQL semi-structured data, whereas Queues is for message passing. And also we have here Azure Data Lake Storage Generation 2, which we also call ADLS, and this is for storing structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data in a hierarchical way. So here let's go with the first one, and I'll go the standard one performance. And in the redundancy we got a couple of different options. First one is LRS, GRS, ZRS, and GZRS. One is missing, which is read access ZGRS. The first one, LRS, it is locally redundant storage, which provide redundancy across single data center, and it is a lowest cost option with server rack and drive failure protection. And this one is GRS, which is called geo redundant storage, and this provide redundancy across the secondary region. And third one is zone redundant storage, which is also called ZRS, and it provide redundancy across data center failures across availability zone. And the last one is Z GZRS, which is a mixture of GRS and ZRS. So we'll go for the GRS for now. So next, here we'll only choose enable hierarchical namespace, which is called ADLS again. So review and create, create. So the deployment is complete. So we'll go to the resources, which is our storage account called STRG 0503 2025. So now we will go and create a container, and under container we'll put some files. So container, click on plus container, we'll put a name. So we'll write a name over here as the image for now. So create. So finally it is created here. So let's go under this one and upload some files. So here I have one picture of certification. So let's upload that one. Upload, and finally it is uploaded here. Now we'll look at how it looks like. Let's go to the home page first. So this is the storage account, container, image, plus. So we can look this file from edit here. So this is the picture that I just uploaded before. So, and this is the storage account that I created with the name this one on the list location. The subscription and hierarchical is enabled, that we ticked one. So this is the overview of the storage account that we just created. I'll also show you how to view that picture from different ways. So we'll go to the storage browser, blob containers. So here is the image that we just uploaded, and this is the one, and you can download it and have a look as well. We can try this URL and try to copy and paste in the browser, but it won't work because this is not for a public access view. So before ending this video, I will quickly show you IAM as well. So for example, we have this storage account and we wanna share the permission to look that picture to another step within our same company. So we are under for that we are here in storage account. So we'll go to the add role assignment. So we wanna give to someone within our same company to have a access on that file. So we'll go for reader one. So the reader one can view the resources but doesn't allow to make any changes. So next, and we will select the member. So here I have only one, that is group. So I will select the group one. So any member which in this group can basically read the file from these resources, and in these resources, that is storage account, I have only one image. So assign, review and assign. So what we have just done is we have just give permission to the group IT to view these resources as a reader permission. So we'll check role assignment. So here I am as a owner, and the person within group ID can read these resources and basically the image that we just uploaded as well. And this is all about IAM for now. So in this video we just learned how to create a storage account and how to create a container and blob. Also we learned how to view the images that we uploaded. We learned about IAM, and also we learned definition about blob, table, queue, storage, also about ADLS, and also about LRS, ZRS, GRS, and GZRS. Thank you guys. Keep learning. I'll see you in another video.